morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yesterday we solved 8 problems, I think. Today I'm really happy that you are responding. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Solve y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4y is equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Clearly, this is a type 2 problem. Sin x is trigonometric function. Cos x is also a trigonometric function. Therefore, this is clearly type 2 problem. This can also be written as y double dash. A double derivative is d square plus 4 into y dash is d plus 4y. 4 into y is equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now let's construct the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. D square is replaced by m square and 4d. D is replaced by m and 4 as stays. And clearly this is m plus 2 whole square expansion. M plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Expansion of m plus 2 whole square is m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. M plus 2 is equal to 0 implies m is equal to minus 2. This is a root and this is repeated. How many times? 2 times. Therefore, again m is equal to minus 2. So collectively we have 2 roots, m is equal to minus 2 and again m is equal to minus 2. What kind of roots are these two? Clearly they are real and repeated. They are repeated. M is equal to minus 2 and again m is equal to minus 2. Therefore, rule number 2 is applicable. Therefore, yc is given by c1 plus c2x into e power minus 2x. Rule number 2. Now let's find particular integral ryp. This is given by phi of x divided by f of d. Here phi of x is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Therefore, 3 sin x divided by f of d is d square plus 4d plus 4 plus 4 cos x divided by f of d is d square plus 4d plus 4. Both are type 2 integrals. This is a type 2 integral. This is also a type 2 integral. Therefore, approach is replace d square by minus 1. This is because we replace d square by minus a square. A is coefficient of x. Here it is 1. Therefore, replace d square by minus 1. Here also a is equal to 1. Therefore, replace d square by minus a square. That is minus 1. Resultant will be 3 sin x as it is divided by replace d square by minus 1. This will be minus 1 now. We get 4d minus 1 plus 4 is 3. 4d plus 3. Here also d square is replaced by minus 1. Therefore, 4d minus 1 plus 4 is 4d plus 3. 3 sin x divided by 4d plus 3 plus 4 cos x divided by 4d plus 3. In both cases, rationalize the denominator. Conjugate of 4d plus 3 is 4d minus 3. Multiply by 4d minus 3 and divide by 4d minus 3. Here also multiply by 4d minus 3 and divide by 4d minus 3. Let's simplify this. 4d of 3 sin x, that is 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3, 12. D of sin x, d stands for d by dx. D by dx of sin x is cos x. 12 cos x, that's what I have written here, 12 cos x. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 sin x. Denominator takes a plus b into a minus b form. That can be written as a square minus b square that is 16 d square minus 9 plus here 4 into 4 16. 4 into 4 16. D means d by dx. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 16 sin x. That's written here. Minus 3 into 4 minus 12 cos x divided by, clearly denominator takes a plus b into a minus b form, that can be written as a square minus b square. A square is 16d square minus b square is 9. Further simplify this. Since this is type 2 integral, replace d square by minus a square, that is minus 1 in both cases. Replace d square by minus 1, here also d square by minus 1. Replace d square by minus 1 in both cases. 12 cos x minus 9 sin x. 12 cos x minus 9 sin x divided by, replace d square by minus 1. This will be minus 16 minus 9 minus 25. Same thing here, minus 25. Here you can take minus 25 as LCM factor, or you can take minus 1 by 25 as common factor. So what you get in the numerator is 12 cos x minus 9 sin x minus 16 sin x minus 12 cos x. Cancel this plus 12 cos x with this minus 12 cos x. Minus 9 sin x minus 16 sin x is minus 25 sin x divided by minus 25. Cancel minus 25. You get sin x as particular integral. Now you write general solution. Y is equal to yc plus yp. This is yc and this is yp. If it is over, we can move to the next problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 4 cos square x. 4 cos square x. This can also be written as d square y by dx square. This is double derivative. This can be written as d square plus 3 into dy by dx is d plus 2y. 2 into y is equal to 4 into cos square x. Cos square x can be written as half into 1 plus cos 2x. Right? Cos square x is equal to half into 1 plus cos 2x. This is because cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Therefore, 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to half into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Therefore, cos square x can be written as half into 1 plus 2x. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. This is what we call auxiliary equation. And this is a simple quadratic equation. You can factorize this. M is equal to minus 1 and m is equal to minus 2 are the roots. M is equal to minus 1 and m is equal to 2 are the roots. Clearly, these two roots are real and distinct. Therefore, rule number 1 is applicable to write complementary solution. Therefore, complementary solution yc is equal to c1 into e power mx. M is minus 1 minus x plus c2 into e power mx. M is minus 2 minus 2x. This is YC, or complementary solution with the involvement of arbitrary constants. Now we shall find YP without the involvement of arbitrary constants. We do that. This 2 into 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 plus 2 cos 2x. This is phi of x now. And Yp is phi of x divided by f of d. That is 2 divided by f of d plus 2 cos 2x divided by f of d. 2 divided by f of d plus 2 cos 2x divided by f of d. Now let this be P1 plus P2. We have two parts here. Let's take it as P1 plus P2, where P1 is 2 divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. This is P1. What kind of integral is this? Type 1 or type 2? Clearly, this is type 1 particular integral because 2 can be written as 2 into e power 0x. This is exponential. Therefore, this is type 1 particular integral. What is approach here? In case of type 1 integrals, replace d by a. What is a here? A is 0. Replace d by 0. What you get here is 2 divided by, this will be 0, this will be 0 divided by 2. And 2 by 2 is 1. P1 is type 1 particular and it is equal to 1. That's what I have written here. We make a note of this. We find P2. This is a mixed category problem. There are two integrals. One integral is type 1 and the other integral is type 2. Yes, P2. P2 is equal to 2 cos x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Clearly, this is type 2 particular integral because cos 2x is trigonometric function. Approach is replace d square by minus a square. Minus, here a is 2, therefore a square is minus 4. What we get here is 2 cos 2x divided by d square is replaced by minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3d plus 2. That can be written as 3d minus 2. 3d minus 2. Now rationalize this denominator. What is the conjugate of this denominator? 3d minus 2, 3d plus 2. Multiply by 3d plus 2 and divide by 3d plus 2. Multiply by 3d plus 2 and divide by 3d plus 2. What will be the resultant? 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. D of cos 2x. What is d of cos 2x? D means d by dx. D by dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. Plus 2 into 2, 4 cos 2x. 4 cos 2x. This divided by denominator takes a minus b into a plus b form, that can be written as a square, that is 9d square minus b square 4. Replace d square by minus 4. This is type 2 integral, therefore replace d square by minus 4. This is equal to 6 into minus 2 minus 12 into sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x divided by, what will be the denominator now? Replace d square by minus 4. 9 into minus 4 minus 36. Minus 36 minus 4 is
Minus 40.
Now we can divide both numerator and denominator by minus 4. As we divide both numerator and denominator by minus 4, this will be 3 sin 2x plus cos 2x divided by 10. This is P2. And we know that particular integral Yp is P1 plus P2. This is P1 plus this is P2. Now write the general solution. General solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to yc plus yp. Substitute both yc and yp. This is yc and this is yp. Substitute. Next, same kind of problem. Solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to sine square x. Solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to sine square x. This can also be written as d square plus 4 into y is equal to sine square x is half into 1 minus cos 2x. This is because we know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. This is another expression for cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Therefore, 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Therefore, sine square x is equal to half into 1 minus cos 2x. Sine square x is equal to half into 1 minus cos 2x. You can directly write that. D square plus 4 into y is equal to half into 1 minus cos 2x. And auxiliary equation, this is a very simple equation, auxiliary equation. M square plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, m square is equal to minus 4. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus 2y. Square root of minus 4 is plus or minus 2y. Now write complementary solution yc. Yc is equal to, both the roots are complex roots. Therefore, rule number 3 is applicable. E power real part times x. Here real part is 0 and imaginary part is 2. Therefore, e power real part times x, e power 0, that is 1. C1 into cos imaginary part times x, that is 2x. C1 into cos 2x plus C2 into sin 2x. This is yc. Now we find yp. Y. Half into 1 minus cos 2x is phi of x, RHS. Half into 1 minus cos 2x, that can be written as half minus half cos 2x. Right? Half into 1 is half minus half cos 2x. This is phi of x. Now 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 divided by f of t. 1 by 2 divided by f of d is d square plus minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x divided by f of d. 1 by 2 divided by f of d minus 1 by 2 cos 2x divided by f of d. Let's take it as p1 plus p2. You have two parts here, two integrals here. You take it as p1 plus p2. P1 is half into 1 divided by d square plus 4 plus p2. P2 is minus half into cos 2x divided by d square minus 4. Now let's consider P1. P1 is equal to half into 1. 1 can be written as e power 0x. E power 0x is e power 0 and e power 0 is 1 divided by d square plus 4. Clearly this is type 1 particular integral. What is the approach? Approach is replace d by 0. When d is replaced by 0, we get 0 plus 4, 4. 4 into 2, 8. And numerator is 1. 1 divided by 8. This is P1. You make a note of this and then we find P2. Now P2. P2 is minus half into cos 2x divided by d square plus 4. Clearly, this is type 2 particular integral. Cos 2x is trigonometric function. It takes cos ax plus b form. Therefore, this is type 2. And approach is replace d square by minus a square. Here a is 2. Replace d square by minus 4. Then denominator will be minus 4 plus 4, 0. Denominator tends to 0. In such cases, multiply the integral by x. Keep numerator as it is, cos 2x. Differentiate the denominator. Derivative of d square plus 4. Derivative of d square with respect to d is 2d. And that of 4 is 0. 4 is a constant. Its derivative must be 0. Therefore, this is equal to minus x divided by 2 into 2 is outside. Its role is over. You keep it outside. Cos 2x divided by d means integral of cos 2x. And integral of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. You keep this minus x divided by 2 into 2, 4. Its role is over. You keep it outside. Minus x divided by 4. Just integrate this cos 2x divided by d. That means integral of cos 2x into dx. You do not integrate x into cos 2x. Role of x is over. You keep it outside. You just integrate cos 2x. This is equal to minus x divided by 4 into integral of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Is it clear? You do not integrate x into cos 2x. Role of this x is over. Therefore, we keep it outside. We just integrate cos 2x. This is P2. And we know that yp is equal to P1 plus P2. Yp is P1 plus P2. P1 is 1 by 8 and P2 is minus x by 8 sin 2x. This is Yp. Now write the general solution, which is given by Yc plus Yp. This is Yc plus this is Yp. Next. Solve d square y by dx square plus 2dy by dx plus y is equal to e power 2x plus cos square y. This is also a mixed category problem. Exponential term is there along with its trigonometric function cos square x. D square y by dx square plus 2dy by dx plus y is equal to e power 2x plus cos square x. This can be written as d square y by dx square is d square plus 2 dy by dx is d plus 1 into y is equal to e power 2x plus cos square x. Cos square x can be written as half into 1 plus cos 2x. That can be written as d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to e power 2x as it is. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2x. Now, auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. M square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. That can be written as m plus 1 whole square. This is the expansion of m plus 1 whole square, right? Therefore, this can be written as m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This is auxiliary equation. M plus 1 is equal to 0 implies m is equal to minus 1 and it is repeated 2 times. Therefore, again, m is equal to minus 1. Clearly, the roots are real and coincident. Rule number 2 is applicable. Rule number 2 is c1 plus c2x into e power mx. M is minus 1, therefore minus x. This is complementary solution. Now we write particular integral. Particular integral is phi of x divided by f of t. Here phi of x is e power 2x divided by f of t plus 1 by 2 divided by f of t plus half cos 2x divided by f of t. We have three integrals here. We will do it separately and then add. We take it as P1 plus P2 plus P3. You make a note of this. Yes, P1 plus P2 plus P3. Let's last step is carried in this slide. This is last step. Now we take P1. What is P1? E power 2x divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. E power 2x divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. Clearly, this is type 1 integral exponential. Therefore, this is type 1 integral. What is the approach? What is the approach? Replace d by a. A is coefficient of x, that is 2. Replace d by 2. You get e power 2x divided by 2 square is 4. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. E power 2x divided by 9. Next P2. P2 is half into 1 divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. What kind of integral is this? Type 1 or type 2?
Type 1.
Clearly, type 1 is. This is type 1. 1 can be written as e power 0 into x. Therefore, this is type 1. Replace d by a. Here a is 0. Therefore, what we get here is this 1 by 2 into 1 divided by this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. P1 is e power 2x by 9. P2 is 1 by 2. Now we find P3. P3 is given by half into cos 2x divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. Clearly, this is type 2 integral because cos 2x is trigonometric function. Replace d square by minus a square. Here a is 4. Therefore, replace d square by minus 4. The resultant is half into, keep this half as it is, cos 2x divided by, replace d square by minus 4. D square by minus 4. What you get here is 2d minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3. 2d minus 3. Half into cos 2x divided by, replace d square by minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3. 2d minus 3. Now rationalize this denominator. You keep half as it is, cos 2x divided by 2d minus 3. Conjugate of this 2d minus 3 is 2d plus 3. Multiply by 2d plus 3 and divide by 2d plus 3. Now simplify this. Half into, this is equal to half into 2 into d. D means d by dx. D by dx of cos 2x. 2 into d by dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. Plus 3 into cos 2x. 3 cos 2x. Whole divided by 2d minus 3 into 2d plus 3 takes a minus b into a plus b form. That can be written as 4d square minus 9. What is d square here? Replace d square by minus 4. Replace d square by minus 4. This is equal to half into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 sin 2x plus 3 cos 2x this divided by, replace d square by minus 4. You get minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Minus 16 minus 9 is minus 25. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 4 sine 2x plus 3 cos 2x divided by minus 25. 2 into minus 25 is minus 50. You can divide both numerator and denominator by minus 1. It is not compulsory. If you want, you can divide both numerator and denominator by minus 1. You get this step. Otherwise, this is enough. That is P3. Now write Yp. We know that Yp is P1 plus P2 plus P3. Here P1 is e power 2x by 9. P2 is half. And P3 is 4 sine 2x minus 3 cos 2x divided by 50. Here you can take a negative sign as common factor and cancel this negative sign. You get this step, or you can carry this answer only. Now write the general solution. General solution is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. Substitute. We have both yc and yp. Substitute. Or we can move to the next problem. This is the next problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx minus 12y is equal to e power 2x minus 3 sine 2x. This can be written as d square plus 4d minus 12 into y is equal to e power 2x minus 3 sine 2x. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m minus 12 is equal to 0. M square plus 4m, this is m not t. M square plus 4m minus 12 is equal to 0. Factorization is very simple. How do you factorize this? M square plus 6m minus 2m minus 12 equal to 0. Or m into m plus 6 minus 2 into m plus 6 equal to 0. Or you can write it as m minus 2 into m plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 2, minus 6. These are the rules. This factorization is a simple primary school mathematics. Anyone can do this. M square plus 4m minus 12 is equal to 0 gives you m is equal to 2 and minus 6. Now write complementary solution. Both the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, rule number 1 is applicable. Rule number 1. C1 into e power mx, m is 2.